Hi everybody, it's Lynn from Lynn's Crafts Designs. I'm gonna do it again. This is the Primo Opal, which is just a translucent clay with opal chunks of glitter. I've got two colors of alcohol. I know they're different kinds, but it was a color choice. So the first one is the Pinata brand Golden Yellow. The second one is Adirondack, the Ranger brand. I have no idea what color it is. These don't seem to tell you what color they are. Whose crazy idea that was? I just don't know. Okay, but it's a kind of caramel color, let's say. Then I've got this texture sheet. I don't have any idea where you'll be able to find this, but ignore the fact that it's all melted. But this one is a Sculpey texture sheet, so you might try that. Alright, so I'm gonna just put some texture on this. Alright. And something I should have said first. This is the opal clay plus a little thin sheet of just translucent, because this opal clay is dried out enough that when you try to run it through your pasta machine, it just crumbles. So I added a little bit of regular, I think it's the white translucent. Let me see. Yes. Yes, it is. Alright, I'm going to start with the golden yellow. Oh, and I'm going to first of all lift this up and put it on a tile. Not for any other reason other than I don't want all that alcohol ink on my mat. Yes, I know it cleans up just as easy, but alright. Let's say I just used it. Okay. This is just a soft brush. A little bit of alcohol. Just gonna spread this out just a little bit. Okay. Alright. Now, this caramel color is what I'm going to call it. This one was not just recently used. Okay. Now, this is still wet. I'm going to put my glasses on. It's 91% alcohol. Change it up a bit. This is the Senorita Magenta from Pinata. Alright, now we're just going to let that evaporate off. Okay, sorry about that. This is the way they came out. I've already put a couple of coats of Varathane on them. Right? Not quite as glittery as I'd hoped. They're still really pretty. I've already drilled holes in these. Now I know I don't care for drilling holes, but these I went back and forth a couple of times. I think I just want to put a jump ring through the hole instead of making a hole on that part. So I just need to drill holes on these, just like I did these. Trying to decide one on either end, or if am I going to make these a stud. Now, since these are just polymer clay, this little hand drill is plenty. Okay. Now, let's see. Boy, these really need to be studs, don't they? Alright, I'm going to make these studs. So I'm going to drill this hole, and then I'm going to come back and put the studs on. Okay, now, that's a drop of bacon bond. Okay? Okay. Now, I'm just gonna heat set that with my heat gun, and I'm gonna do it off camera. Okay. Then I'm gonna drop these little circles. Okay. I'm gonna there we go. Now, of course, this circle is too big. for the earring. But we're going to trim that off. Okay. Okay. Now, I'm just going to trim that off. Okay, here's both pair. I'm not sure what compelled me to make these autumn colors right now, but it just worked out that way. These, I put a little embossing powder on at the bottom, just to reflect that gold a little bit more. I started to do it on these, but then I just changed my mind. Alright? Man, those are pretty. Now, like I said, the opal sparkle isn't quite because I added the translucent and I didn't mix it in quite enough. But they're still really pretty. Alright. Alright, I've got an Amazon shop that I get a little kickback from. If you order anything through that link, the alcohol inks, glitters, mica powders, I've got a resin list, a polymer clay list. The rest of my social media links are listed below, including blueberry beads, which is where I get my polymer clay. Alright? Thank y'all so much for watching. I don't know why, but I loved these. Quite a bit different than the last couple of these opal ones I did. And I may go ahead and just finish off the block. Who knows? Alright. Please like, share, and subscribe. Like everybody's video you watch, including this one. Bye for now.